like that.
Stay muted, you drippy hippie. Stay muted. This is my
Drippy
show.
hippie? Fuck off and your pickle. Shut your pickle up.
My boyfriend needs to mute you. He's fucking up. He should be muting you right now.
How does Glammy
OBS
fucking do
user,
this shit?
mute this drippy hippie.
Oh
What are
god,
you
damn,
doing?
Xylie's getting ready to fly off the stairs.
Oh no, Glammy, get down. You're gonna
Get
hang
down!
yourself.
Take your medicine, Glammy. You're gonna fall and bust your fucking head.
Step back from that ledge, my friend.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit.
Careful there. All right, Cyrus the virus is going to you.